Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up your AT&T Internet Air step by step. If you have just received your wireless gateway and you want to get your home Wi-Fi running quickly, this guide will walk you through the entire setup process. So first of all, you need to open the box and take out the main Internet Air gateway device. Inside the package, you should find the gateway, a power adapter and a quick setup guide. This gateway works as both the modem and the Wi-Fi router, so you won't need any additional equipment to get started with it. Now you need to place this particular gateway in a central area of your home, preferably near a window. Since Internet Air connects through the cellular signals, the device needs a strong signal from the nearby towers. Avoid placing the gateway inside the cabinets, behind large furniture, or near thick walls, as these can weaken the wireless signal. Now connect the power adapter to the gateway and plug it into the power outlet. After turning it on, the device will begin connecting to the AT&T network. You will see the indicator lights on the gateway while it initializes. This process usually takes a few minutes, so you just have to wait until the lights shows that the connection is ready. Once the gateway is active, look at the Wi-Fi network name and the password printed on the label of the device. Open the Wi-Fi settings on your phone or laptop or a tablet and find the network name and enter the password to connect to your new home internet. For the final setup, you can try opening the AT&T Smart Home Manager application on your phone. This app is going to detect your gateway and guide you through the finishing the setup. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.